Hey there, science fans! Today we're diving into the fascinating world of nucleic acids. These molecules are like blueprints that hold the instructions for life. They tell our cells how to grow, function, and even reproduce. Pretty important stuff, right? There are two main types of nucleic acids, DNA and RNA. You've probably heard of DNA. It's like the master blueprint storing all the genetic information that makes you, you. RNA, on the other hand, is like the messenger and builder, carrying out those instructions from DNA to create proteins. Now, you might be wondering where these vital molecules hang out in our cells. Well, DNA has a special place called the nucleus, which acts like the cell's control center. RNA, however, is a bit more of a traveler, moving between the nucleus and the cytoplasm, where proteins are made. So whether it's the long-term storage of genetic information, or the hustle and bustle of protein synthesis, nucleic acids are the unsung heroes keeping our cells running smoothly. Stay tuned as we explore the amazing world of DNA and RNA further. Picture this, a bustling city contained within a protective wall. That's kind of like a cell with the nucleus as its central command center. And guess what's inside? You got it, DNA. The nucleus is like a library housing all the genetic information in the form of DNA. This information is organized into chromosomes, which are like volumes in the library of life. Each chromosome contains thousands of genes, the specific instructions for building and running an organism. But the nucleus isn't just a storage locker for DNA, it also plays a crucial role in protecting and organizing this precious material. The nuclear envelope, a double membrane, acts like a security guard, controlling what goes in and out of the nucleus. Inside the nucleus, DNA replication takes place, ensuring that each new cell receives a complete copy of the genetic blueprint. This process is essential for growth, repair, and reproduction. So next time you think about the nucleus, remember it's the safe and busy home of DNA, the instruction manual for life itself. Now let's talk about RNA, the versatile molecule that puts those DNA blueprints into action. Unlike DNA, which stays put in the nucleus, RNA is a traveler venturing out into the cytoplasm, the bustling factory floor of the cell. One of RNA's primary roles is to act as a messenger, carrying genetic instructions from DNA in the nucleus to the ribosomes in the cytoplasm. These instructions, transcribed from DNA onto messenger RNA, mRNA, dictate the precise order of amino acids needed to build a specific protein. Think of mRNA as a recipe card copied from a cookbook, DNA, and carried to the chef, ribosome. But RNA's talents don't stop there. Other types of RNA, like ribosomal RNA, rRNA, and transfer RNA, tRNA, are essential for protein synthesis too. RNA forms the structural backbone of ribosomes, the protein-making machinery, while tRNA acts as a delivery service, bringing specific amino acids to the ribosome based on the mRNA instructions. From carrying genetic messages to assembling proteins, RNA plays a vital role in translating the language of DNA into the language of life. It's the ultimate multitasker, ensuring that our cells function properly and thrive. Now, let's zoom in and explore the building blocks of these remarkable molecules, nucleotides. Imagine a nucleotide as a tiny building block, and when you string them together, you get the long chains that form DNA and RNA. Each nucleotide has three main parts: a sugar molecule, a phosphate group, and a nitrogenous base. The sugar and phosphate molecules link together to form the backbone of the DNA or RNA strand, like the sides of a ladder. Attached to this sugar-phosphate backbone are the nitrogenous bases, the information carriers of nucleic acids. These bases come in four flavors: adenine, AA, thymine, T, guanine, G, and cytosine, C, in DNA. In RNA, uracil, U, takes the place of thymine. These bases are like the rungs of the DNA ladder, holding the two strands together through specific pairings. A always pairs with T, or U in RNA, and G always pairs with C. This complementary base pairing ensures that genetic information is accurately copied and passed on during DNA replication and RNA synthesis. So, from the sugar-phosphate backbone to the precisely paired nitrogenous bases, the structure of nucleotides is crucial for the storage, transmission, and expression of genetic information. It's these tiny building blocks that ultimately make life possible.